From the headquarters in the Netherlands, a dedicated team of systems specialists provide solutions for the most complex architectural structures. Mr. Bram Hannesson grew from a one-man band into a fully fledged system house with offices and staff in Saudi Arabia, the UAE, India and Pakistan. This in only 20 years. EFP combines European technology and efficient manufacturing techniques in order to service the growing demand for high-tech quality facade systems, whether it involves curtain walling, skylights, unitized curtain walling, louvers and sunshades, windows, doors, sliding, lift and slide, or cladding substructure systems. See our proven track record of the prestigious projects throughout Europe, the Gulf, India and Africa, Saudi Arabia, Kuwait, Qatar, the Emirates, India, with EFP, buildings will last longer and exceed the sustainability standards in every part of the world.